Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can block someone on Snapchat. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Snapchat, and there are a few ways in which you can block people on here. So the first way is to go on Spotlight on the bottom right. Then all you have to do is click on these three dots on the bottom right, and you can select not interested on here depending on the account. And you also have the option to block certain accounts as well if you go on them. You can also go to the stories section. You can obviously just click on any of these at the top, then click on the three dots on the top right, and you should have the option to block on there as well. And if you come out of here and go to the message section, you can obviously go on here and just click on whoever you want on here, and again just select the three dots on the top right, and you should see the option to block on there. And if you're happy to do that, just select yes, and that will block their account. Thanks for watching.